These are my runners from last year's marathon. Will I wear them this year? No, not if I want to avoid injury. And so if you wouldn't run a marathon in a battered pair of last year's runners, why would you use the same business strategies that you would use before and then after a pandemic? That's right, we need a new approach. And that's exactly what I'm going to offer you in this 3-part webinar, no cost series, The Future of Your Business, how to use the pandemic lockdown to grow your business well after it. And here's what we're going to cover on these webinars. I'm going to share some of the immediate strategies that you can take to plan the future of your business. And look, I completely understand that you may be restless and fearful, and I'm going to dissolve that restlessness that you may be feeling and therefore able to introduce new business growth and marketing strategies that will enable you to take control of your situation while dealing with the changes being presented by COVID-19. Each week, I'm going to build on the information to help support and increase your business growth strategies, all with support. And now, on our first webinar, we're going to talk about 3 main areas. 1, about community and why it's just so important. 2, the opportunities that are around you. And then 3, how you can adapt. Because really, community is really where it's going to be at. Not necessarily at the kumbaya and dancing at the crossroads, but all about collaboration and support. You see, everybody's saying that life is not going to be the same again and we're living in a new normal. But take a look around us. Neighbours are coming together where they never came before. Business owners are Zooming all the time just to stay in touch with each other, and whole communities are coming together to help the vulnerable and feed our healthcare workers. Community is where it's at, and that's the starting point that you need to think about how you can adapt, how you can see the opportunity where others may not, and then how you can create a platform, one that you can build up around you. So we're going to build the foundations, and then on the second webinar, we're going to talk about how you beat the competition and really be first out of the blocks really when it all kicks off, because this will end at some point. And then our last webinar will be how to protect yourself for the future. COVID-19 may not come back, but other things will come to present you with challenges. And what I want for you is that you've kind of got a ring fence around you. You've got this platform that you can actually lean off of, and that is the key. The key is this platform that you can use, and let's use this lockdown time to get it, maximize it. You see, you kind of need all these strategies before you can do 5 ways to a Facebook ad or 5 ways to a new LinkedIn profile or something. So join me for the webinar. The link is either down here or it's over here, not really sure, but join me. And if you can't make it, don't worry about that, because I know times are hard and difficult to manage things, particularly if you're homeschooling at home. So just register, I'll give you the replay, and of course you'll still get the same level of support from me as you would if you're on the live webinar. The future is now, you need to take advantage of it. So please sign up and I will see you on the other side.